Hello students, in this unit we are going to discuss about health and hygiene. The scientific study of the causes of disease is known as etiology. The success of this science lies in the fact that today doctors recognize thousands of disorders and are able to treat a majority of them. Now, in this time of COVID 19, it's very important to be concerned about health and hygiene. What is disease? Disease is an abnormal condition of an organism or part, especially as a result of infection, inherent weakness, or environmental stress that disturb the normal physiological functioning of the organism. In this unit, we are going to discuss about different type of diseases, causes of diseases, communication of the diseases, and different kind of immunization program like vaccination, antibodies, antibiotics, antiseptic, etc. We are going to discuss about several health organization like WHO and Red Cross. Now, in this slide, you can see there is a definition of health. What is a health? Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Means हम physically fit हैं तो हम healthy होंगे. यदि हम mentally भी fit होंगे तो हम healthy होंगे. और यदि हम socially fit होंगे तो हम healthy consider होंगे. यानी कि किसी इंसान को हेल्दी कंसीडर करने के लिए वी नीड 3 एस्पेक्ट्स. द पर्सन नीड टू बी फिजिकली, मेंटली एज वेल एज सोशली फिट. फिजिकली फिट का मतलब है कि हमें कोई बीमारी नहीं है, हमारे सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स बराबर काम करते हैं. मेंटली हम जिस उम्र के हिसाब से हम काम कर सकते हैं. और सोशली हम जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं we are doing for the upbringing of the society. We are not creating any kind of negative thought for the society. Now, what is disease? Disease is made up of 2 words, dis plus ease. Dis matlab come, ease means comfort. When we have discomfort in our life, that is called disease. So, disease is any abnormal condition of the body or a mind that interrupts our malfunctioning of the body. Now, we are going to discuss causes of disease. In causes of disease, there are 2 kind of factors. One is intrinsic factors and another one is extrinsic factors. Intrinsic factors are the factors present within the body, while extrinsic factors are the factors present in the external environment. Now, intrinsic factor means if my body is not working properly, my heart is not working, my kidney is not working, that is a malfunctioning of the body. If I am having some genetic disorder, like by birth I am not able to see nearby object, if by birth I am having some disease like color blindness, so that is a genetic disorder. Hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance means I am not having any particular hormone sufficiently. For example, in my body insulin is lacking. So if insulin is lacking means I am suffering from diabetes. If thyroid is lacking, then I am suffering from hypothyroidism. There may be a hyperthyroidism condition, or for any other hormone. There are 2 conditions, hypo and hyper. Hypo उनकी कमी से और hyper उनकी अधिकता से होता है. Allergy. When our body is oversensitive or hypersensitive for a particular object, that is called allergy. I could have an allergy from chili, from pollen grains, from hot or cold waves, or from dust, or from ginger, garlic. We can have allergy from anything. Now, we will discuss extrinsic factor. Extrinsic factor include the factors which is outside the body. We may have disease due to microorganisms like bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, worms, right? We may have disease due to some kind of pollution, air pollution, waterborne disease, through soil, due to imbalanced diet. If we are not taking proper diet, then due to we can have a deficiency diseases like we can have night blindness due to deficiency of vitamin A, we can have scurvy due to deficiency of vitamin C, we can have kwashiorkor or marasmus due to deficiency of carbohydrate and protein respectively. And there are certain disease like habit forming substances, means we adopt certain habits which causes disease in our body, like we are very alcoholic, we used to do smoking, we are taking certain kind of the drugs. These are called habit forming substances. Now we are going to discuss different types of diseases. There are two kind of diseases, in fact four kind of diseases: congenital disease, acquired disease, communicable disease, non-communicable disease. Now congenital disease are the disease which present from the birth. Like these diseases are due to false chromosomal structure, damage in the embryo at the time of the birth. इट लाइक जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ तब उसके टाइम पर उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई. दीज इंक्लूड इफेक्ट ऑफ रेडिएशंस. मदर को प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे कोई रेडिएशंस के थ्रू जाना पड़ा, एक्सरे कराना पड़ा, या कैंसर जैसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम था तो रेडिएशन थेरेपी कराना पड़ा, और शी इज़ वर्किंग समवेयर इन न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट और लाइक दैट, तो वहाँ पे यदि प्रिकॉशन प्रॉपर नहीं लिया है तो हो सकती हैं. I mean, किसी भी तरीके से यदि हमें रेडिएशंस से एक्सपोज हो रहे हैं तो. डिजीज़ कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड बाय द मदर ड्यू टू टेकिंग ऑफ सर्टेन अल्कोहल एंड स्मोकिंग की वजह से भी ये डिजीज़ हो सकती हैं. सो बेसिकली दीज आर द डिजीज़ फ्रॉम द मदर बाय द बर्थ due to excessive smoking, alcohol, or the radiations, effect of radiations, or due to the chromosomal structure default or the damage in the chromosomal structure. एग्जाम्पल हेयर लिप. हेयर लिप में आपके लिप्स ऊपर से कटे हुए होते हैं. मंगोलिज्म डिजीज़ होती है जिसमें हमारी मेंटल एबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती है, लाइक दिस. The second is acquired disease. Acquired disease are the disease which we acquire during our life, like which the disease which we develop after our birth. For example, मुझे जन्म के बाद में चिकन पॉक्स होता है. If after birth, if I am suffering from diabetes, so this will be a acquired disease. If after birth or at the age of 20 or 40 I am suffering from cancer, that is again a acquired disease. Now acquired disease are of two types, communicable and non-communicable. The disease communicable word came from communication, दो लोगों के बीच में. So communicable diseases are the disease which can transmit from one person to another person or one infected person to a healthy person. For example, चिकन पॉक्स, कॉमन कोल्ड. मुझे यदि जुकाम है तो आपको हो सकता है, मुझे चिकन पॉक्स है तो आपको हो सकता है. इसलिए हम स्कूल में इफ़ द चाइल्ड इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम चिकन पॉक्स और आई फ्लू, वी आर नॉट अलाउइंग द चाइल्ड टू कम टू स्कूल टू अवॉइड कम्युनिकेशन और infection. Now non-communicable disease are the disease which do not get passed on from one person to another person, जो एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान में नहीं फैलती हैं. जैसे COVID-19 is a communicable disease, but cancer is non-communicable disease. Diabetes non-communicable disease है. For example, heart diseases, cancer, allergy, deficiency diseases. Suppose I am suffering from night blindness due to deficiency of vitamin A. I am suffering from thyroid due to deficiency of thyroxine. Then these diseases are not going to transmitted from me to another person. So in next slide we will discuss about the different kind of diseases. Thank you students.